this is Monica. I am studying final year BSc Computer Science. Now I am discuss about how to create a mini project 6 medical diagnostics. Machine learning are divided into three parts: supervisor learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. Supervisor learning are divided into two parts: classification, regressions. So unsupervised learning is clustering. Reinforcement learning is decision making. And next, types of machine learning: supervised learning or classification. Examples are fraud detection. Regression is example is risk assessment. Unsupervised learning or dimensionality reduction. Examples are text mining, face recognition. Next, clustering. Examples are biology, city planning. Reinforcement learning. Examples are gaming, financial sector. Next, important terminologies of machine learning: first, machine learning; second, data set; third, features; fourth, label or target; fifth, training data; sixth, testing data; seventh, model; eighth, algorithm; ninth, supervised learning; 10th, unsupervised learning; 11th, overfitting; 12th, underfitting; 13, accuracy; 14, functions, loss functions; 15, hyperparameters. And next, I am creating a new GitHub repository in my mini project 6, which is an medical diagnostics. Next, go to the home page and click on the repository option, and next click on the new repository button. We have to see like this. Create a new repository page will be open. In my mini project 6, repository name is mini project 6 medical diagnostics, and next click on the create a repository. After that, after open the quick setup, we use click on the create a new file, and then under the mini project 6 medical diagnostics is index.html in the box. Next, enter the code, copy and paste the code, and click on the commit changes. After that, commit changes pop-up message will be appears, and click on the commit changes. Next, successfully created index.html mini project 6 medical diagnostics. Next, click on the more option button, and we choose the setting option. Click the setting button. After that, click on the pages, and GitHub page will be open. Build and development source is deployment of branch, and branch is we choose the main option like this. After that, GitHub page will be GitHub page source saved, and next GitHub page your link is like this. Click on the visit site. This is the output of healthcare diagnostics random forest. Enter the glucose level and enter the BMI, enter the age. I am enter the glucose level is 120, enter the BMI is 45, age is 38. Click on the predict button, and this is the output of healthcare diagnostics random forest mini project 6. Thank you.